So guys, have you ever wondered how to change the needle of your butterfly sewing machine? Stay tuned because in this video I'm going to be showing you how the safety measures and everything you need to know. Hello besties, it's your girl bobokiddifashion. Just a quick reminder guys, you can find me beyond YouTube, you know that right? I'm on TikTok, I'm on Instagram, Facebook and Pinterest. Check out the link in my bio guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe and turn on notification because I post amazing tutorials. So stay tuned besties. So guys, let's get into it. First of all, so I just remember to do this tutorial excuse me, after I was done taking out the old needle. So first, safety first, always make sure you turn off your machine before you begin doing changing your needle guys. So we don't want unnecessary stitches, unnecessary accidents. So yeah, so this is a set of needles that I got. They didn't come with the machine, so I got these heavy duty needles that can help me since I'm into wig making. You know, this dome cap has a very, you know, kind of material like it's really difficult to get off. So there's this thing that comes in your machine, right? It comes in that hidden compartment in your machine. So you're going to use it to unscrew the place where the needle sits. So guys, I believe this is a visual, like you can just follow what I'm doing. So since this knot is very difficult to come out, you're going to use it to unscrew it, and there you have it. That is the old needle. So apparently I thought I didn't figured I didn't record that. So I just discovered that I did record that. So yeah, so that's the old needle and it is broken. So we are going to get our new needle and we are going to replace it. So first you're going to position your needle in a flat manner, right? You're going to look at your needle. On your needle you're going to see a place where it's flat and the other side is like rounded. So that flat part goes into that little compartment that we tried to open, and we are going to send it and we're going to screw it back just like you can see me doing. So I really apologize, this video wasn't really that detailed, but I'm going to make a more detailed video if you need it, so just let me know in the comment section. So after doing that guys, we are pretty much done. So we're just going to thread our needle and you know, yada yada, and we're done. Like I said, if you need a more detailed tutorial, let me know in the comment section. I'm glad to help. So guys, after doing that, I'm going to sort out any other issues that I have in my machine, like the bobbin set issue. So yeah, so here's how to thread your machine, and this is another issue on its own. In case you need any guidance on how to thread your machine, you let me know. So I was going to cut out this tip that is a bit rough before I put it in my machine. So yeah, so also always make sure that you follow these steps properly guys. Always make sure that you turn off your machine, you get rid of the old needle before putting the new needle. Turning off your machine is very important because I've had cases where people had accidents because their legs mistakenly stepped on the motor and they had some few bruises and so on. So yeah, we need to take precaution first before doing anything. So after doing that, we're going to change our bobbin set. So I just noticed that the thread on my bobbin set was finished, so I had to get a new one and it wasn't sewing right as well. So I had to get a new one and I replaced it. So like I said guys, I don't really know the specific names of the parts of this machine, so excuse me if I'm not telling you take the thread, you put in this, you put in that. Like guys, let's be serious here. I don't know the names of those parts, but I believe it's a visual, so you can just see, and especially if you have the same brand of machine, then it's going to be easy for you to follow through. So yeah, so yeah guys, so after changing your needle, you're going to take this one thing that goes on top of your bobbin set, which kind of secures the bobbin set in place. You're going to put it, it's going to be the last thing you're going to put. It's going to be the last thing you're going to put before putting your bobbin set. So yeah guys, thanks for watching. Bye bye.